हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ करण मशरू। वेलकम टू दिस वीडियो। और इस वीडियो में हम हमारा खुद का एक कस्टम फिल्टर फंक्शन लिखने वाले हैं। सो इन द प्रीवियस वीडियोस वी हैव रिटर्न द कस्टम मैप फंक्शन। और कस्टम मैप फंक्शन जो हमने लिखा था वो हमने एज अ नॉर्मल फंक्शन इन विच वी पास द एरे एंड अनदर फंक्शन डेफिनेशन ऐसे लिखा था, और प्रोटोटाइप की मदद से भी लिखा था. So custom filter we will directly write using prototype only. Okay, so we get an idea that when we call array dot filter, what is happening behind the scenes. Okay, so if we recall, so let's say if I have an array 3 1 3 1 7 8 10 12 16 7. Okay, so if I say let b is equal to array dot filter, I can say for every element x, take the element only if x modulo 2 equal to 0. Okay, so if I console log the array, so if I say console log a and if I say console log b, okay, so this is our original array A, where you can see we have got the elements 3 1 7 8 10 12 16 17. And if you look at the array B, we have got only even elements, so we have not got 3 1 7 and the last 7. तो बेसिकली फिल्टर फंक्शन कैसे वर्क करता है, इट आइट्रेट्स ओवर द ओरिजिनल एरे ऑन विच वी कॉल द फिल्टर फंक्शन, एंड फॉर एवरी एलिमेंट x of the original array it only takes the element in which this condition is true. Okay, it only takes the element for which this function definition returns true. तो ये एक तरीके से फिल्टर का काम करता है. इट फिल्टर्स आउट द एलिमेंट फ्रॉम द ओरिजिनल एरे. Okay, so if we think about it from the elements of the original array, it applies the condition which we pass as a function, and only for those elements where this condition returns true, it takes it in a new array and then returns the new array. So basically it needs the original array and it needs this function which tells the filtering condition. So यहाँ पे मैं कह सकता हूँ array dot prototype dot custom filter. So I'll write the custom filter function. Okay, so in the array prototype I will add a custom filter property which is basically a function. Okay, here I would say basically custom filter is a member, okay, which is acting as a function, and this is a function which takes a function definition as an input first thing, and it will return a array finally. Okay, so finally it will return this answer array. Okay, so what it does is it iterates over the elements of the original array. So for x of this q, because here we say array dot filter, similarly we will say array dot custom filter. So on whichever array we call this custom filter function, that array can be accessed using this keyword. Okay, so for x of this, if function of x returns true, then we take this element in the answer array. Okay, so that's our custom filter function. Basically now I can say let c is equal to array dot custom filter, and I can say the definition of the function is for every x return true if x modulo 2 equal to 0. So basically this function definition this function definition which takes x as an input and returns true if x is even, otherwise false, will be passed here. Okay, so whenever I am calling this custom filter function, and in here I am passing this function definition and I am calling it on this array. So I'll iterate over the elements of this array, okay, using this keyword, and I'll use this function which will take x as an input and returns true if x modulo 2 is 0. So if this function returns true, then only I'll add the element in the answer list and then finally return the new array. This does not affect the original array. And now you can say console.log c. Okay, so if you run here, okay, so you can see this is the original array, this is array b which was generated using filter function, and this is array c which was generated using the custom filter function. Okay, and it does not affect the original array. So this is something what is happening behind the scenes for your array.filter function. So using prototype, we can add a custom filter member to the array object, which is whose definition is a function, which takes a function as an input, iterates over all the array elements, because this can be called on array, and for the functions for which this function definition returns to it, adds it to the new array and then returns the new array. Okay, सो दैट्स अबाउट द कस्टम फिल्टर फंक्शन. आई होप आपको इस वीडियो में सब कुछ समझ में आया होगा. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम कस्टम रिड्यूस देखेंगे. थैंक यू.